It's a bunny! Yeah, hop, 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 hop. I don't know if you should touch him, baby. Are you reading a Christmas book? What book is it? It's The Night Before Christmas. That book needs to go away with the Christmas decorations. Why are you trying to put your foot in it? Are there shoes in here? Look, there's a baby. You see the baby? Baby. Baby. You just want to put your foot in it? Kinley, can you say hi? Say hi. Who's that? Who's that, Kinley? Uh-oh, your book fell. Who's that? Don't fall off. Just chilling? Alright. Good morning, everyone. It's actually afternoon. It's 12:30. We've just been hanging out. I wanted to take her to the park today just to get out and to do something. But it's actually raining. So it's really warm compared to yesterday, but it's raining. Which I was so bummed about. Are you gonna try to climb in there from up there? I don't know if you should do that. Turn around. Go backwards. Turn around. Let me move it over here. There you go. You did it. Who is that? Why are you sitting like that? Oh, look at that cute little baby belly. Why are you slouching? Look, I turned on the vibration. She likes it. Well, maybe. She liked it yesterday. Not afraid of it. You petting Zoe with your feet? Zoe, your foot rest. Zoe, your little foot rest. You're funny. Chug, 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 pushing your Choo Choo. Mommy's riding on the rest. I probably shouldn't be sitting on this, you guys, but it's kind of fun. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come to Mama. Mwah. Good girl. Mommy's so proud of you. Go get your Choo Choo. Yes, that's your Choo Choo. So, she has so many walkers, you guys. It's crazy. And I didn't even really think of this as a walker when I got it for her, but actually it was a gift for her for Christmas. Walking to Mama. But it actually is a walker. Like, I thought of it as a train because here's the other part. I'm sitting on it. You guys have probably seen it like sitting over there. So here's the other part. It just attaches to it right there. And there's all these like letters under it. I probably shouldn't really be sitting on it, but you know, so I was pushing her on it. It's so much fun, but if you take it off, this part is basically like a little walker. It's not as sturdy as her other one. She has a third one too, but it's in the closet still. Ready? You ready to do what we were just doing a minute ago? Go, go, go! Go, 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 go walk! Go walk! Kinley! I go get you! I go get you! I go get you! Oh, you found your ball? See? I'm just sticking it in there. I think it goes this way. Now I have the Choo Choo. Oh, you want that one back? All right, let me unhook it. Where are you going? I got you. I'm gonna I got you. You want to do that one? Okay, stand up. She still doesn't know how to turn them. Stand up. Go. Go that way. Let's be follow the leader. Mama will come get you. Yeah, go that way. What are you doing? You can't climb on that, silly. Go. Whoa, drifting. Come on. Kinley. Wait, someone's calling. Someone's calling. Who is it, Kinley? Who is it? Is it Papa? Oh, hi, Papa. Really? You want to talk to Kinley? Okay, here's Kinley. Kinley, it's Papa. Can you say hi, Papa? Say hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa. Yeah, say hi, Papa. She's like, what is this? This is not a phone. This does not look like an iPhone. Mom. Say, hi, Papa. Can you press the button? Press the button right here. Good girl. You used to carry that phone around just clicking it like that when you got this present. Yeah. Say hi, Papa. Gotta put it on your ear. On your ear. Right there. Go, hi, Papa. Yes, you guys, she's still in her pajamas. I am too. My shirt. I changed my pants because I was cold, so I put long pants on. She had actual pajama pants on that go with this shirt, but her diaper leaked in the middle last night. So I changed her pants this morning, but she's still in her PJs. So this is from the twins. So it says, it's a girl squared. And then on, here, let me put it down. And then on the belly part, it has their actual ultrasound for when I was pregnant with them. So that's pretty cool. And there's that. Here, sit on it. Chug, chug, chug. I'm afraid you're gonna fall backwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bentley, get out of my camera shot. You're just a badoink. doing? What are you doing? Why you push your chair all the way over there? Sitting in the kitchen. There you go. That's better. That's better, Peanut. Show everyone your new passy. It's so sparkly. Can you get out? Kinley, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye? Say bye. Bye. Good girl. See you tomorrow. No. Okay. Bye, guys. Good morning, everyone. So, it's later morning, probably about almost 11, and we are out and about running some errands. I'm so bummed because we came to this fabric store that's going out of business to get some fabric that I had bought a while ago and made her some shorts with, and I wanted to buy more of it to make her and I matching swimsuits. It was like a swimsuit material, and it's gone. I knew I should have bought it then, just the rest of it. I hadn't thought of the swimsuit idea a couple days ago when I saw it, but I knew I should have just bought it since it was super cute and just to have. But I buckled her in right now, but I'm about to get her right back out because I wanted to take her into the pet store for a little bit to just look at some animals. So, let's see how she likes it. Yeah, you see some fish? You're not paying attention to what's right in front of you? It's a bunny! Yeah, hop, 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 hop. I don't know if you should touch him, baby. I don't know if you will touch him because he might bite you. Can you say hi to the bunny? Can you say hi to the little bunny? Oh, he's sweet bunny. Oh, he doesn't want to play right now. Look at her, she has no fear. She's like, oh, I'll touch you. Oh, he's going in his hay. What is he doing? What's the bunny doing? What is he doing? Hop, 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 hop. Like, she just wants to get to that bunny. Is that a cute bunny? Come on, let's go see what's over here while the bunny is in his hay. You can't reach him. Let's go see some guinea pigs. Look, what's that? Is that a guinea pig? Is that a guinea pig? That's a cute one. What are they doing? He's like, I can't get in here. Those are some guinea pigs, baby. Maybe when you're a little older, Mama will get you a guinea pig. Or a small pet. I hear lots of hamsters running. This guy is really, he's not afraid of us at all. Like that one is all in his head. It's cute. Hi, little guinea pig. Hi, buddy. Hi. What do you think? Hop, 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 hop. Let's go over here and see the hamsters. Over here. What's in here? Oh, it's a chinchilla. Oh, chinchillas hold a special place in my heart. I love chinchillas. Kinley, what's all this? What's all that? What are those crazy mice doing? Oh, you don't like them? Are you afraid of them?
He's doing this thing.
What is it? Yes, that's a fishy. Are you excited over the fishy? What are all those mice doing? Are you really afraid of the mice? Is it just because there's a lot of them? Go see them. Go see the mice. Look, there's one right there. Go tap, 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 tap. You're afraid of them. All right, no, stand up. You guys stand up. Stand up. You want to see the fishy? Oh my goodness, fishies. Fishies? Is it your favorite? Kinley, watch where you're going. What are you doing? Oh, you're so sweet. Cuddle, where's Lovey? There's Lovey. You're so sweet, girl. What are we doing? Are you waving? Good girl. Are we cuddling? Don't fall out! How did you even get in there? Mommy goes potty for 1 minute and that's what you do. You want that? Oh my gosh, you are crazy. You crazy little monkey. What's this? How did you get in there? Oh my goodness. You are such a little monkey. Such a little monkey. You got way too many toys. Look, you made a disaster. This you actually made last night, baby. Mommy's not even gonna try to lie and say I cleaned it up because I didn't. That's what you climbed in there for? Those balls? You have boogers stuck to your face. Throw it. And you're just chilling in there. Do you need help? Can you say help? Help. Take your foot out. There you go. Good girl. You did it. This kid has way too many toys. And this is, like, I did a huge cleanup of her toys after Christmas and got her rid of so much. She still has so many. There's still more in the closet that she hasn't opened from Christmas and her birthday. I keep telling everyone, and I'm so serious on this, this coming year for her birthday and Christmas, I'm putting a cap on presents for her. 1 per household, because seriously. And it could even be 1 for birthday and Christmas, because seriously, she got entirely way too much crap this past year. Like, way too much crap. So, she does not need that much stuff. Yes, that's your doodle guy. We haven't even used that guy. I don't know where the doodle pen is. Hey guys, so I just wanted to put this short little clip at the end of this vlog because we are actually going out of town for the weekend. for a family event. So as of right now, I'm not going to be uploading a video for over the weekend, which would be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because I just don't know what the internet is going to be like, and there's going to be a ton of family, so I just don't want to have to worry about figuring out who is okay with being on camera, who's not, and I just want to enjoy it, not have to worry about, you know, carting the camera on everywhere that I go, because it's going to be a totally new environment for both Kinley and I. So I'm definitely going to take some footage, and then I will probably upload a video Sunday night of the whole weekend in one video, just of cute and fun clips. But I just wanted to let you guys know about that. But then, of course, next week when we get back on Monday, I'm definitely going to get back to doing a video every day. I know I definitely got kind of off that. I just feel like some days we really don't do anything. Some days we really just stay home and hang out, and it's kind of boring. I mean, it's boring to me, and I'm living it, so for you guys to kind of watch. But I'm definitely going to get back on it doing it every day, because I mean, it's so fun to have the memories and seeing how she's growing and developing, and we're definitely going to start doing some more fun things. So I just wanted to let you guys know. So we will see you next video.